Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Vimeo for freelance video portfolios, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Vimeo website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Select a plan that suits your needs. Log in to your Vimeo account. Click on the upload button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose the video file you want to upload from your computer. Add a title to your video that reflects its content. Write a clear and concise description. Select a thumbnail image that will attract viewers. Choose the appropriate privacy settings for your video. Decide whether you want to allow downloads. Click Save to finalize the upload. Once uploaded, navigate to your profile. Create a new showcase for your freelance portfolio. Select the videos you want to include in this showcase. Arrange your videos in the desired order. Add a title and description for the showcase. Adjust the privacy settings according to your preferences. Save the showcase to make it publicly accessible. Share the link to your showcase on your professional profiles. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects. Utilize Vimeo's analytics tools to monitor viewer engagement. Engage with any feedback or comments on your videos. Consider using Vimeo's customization options to enhance your branding. Stay consistent with the themes and styles in your video content. Promote your showcase through social media and other platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.